So ChatGPT inside of Excel, if you look on my screen, my home tab, I have this ChatGPT for Excel. So that link that I showed you in that PowerPoint slide will take you to creating your account so that you can integrate ChatGPT into Excel. I don't know. I did this just to kind of see what it does. And I would say for you guys, don't bother, because Copilot is coming. It's already ChatGPT inside of Excel and Microsoft 365 and Windows and Microsoft Edge. It's already there. We just don't have it yet. It's coming. I don't know that you will need this. And here's why I say that. So these are the formulas that you get with this ChatGPT for Excel. And it's not perfect. I've tried it a couple times on a couple of these different formulas, and it didn't work. And so I was like, okay. So for me, I can say this. I can do equal AI.ask. And because I integrated ChatGPT into Excel, I now have this function, right? So now I have 506 new functions, right? Because of this. Do you necessarily need this? Again, I played around with it the last couple of days and I was like, the buy-in isn't there for me, only because I know that Copilot is coming. So, but I'll put in AI.ask, and right here it pulls up as a function. I'll double click that, and then it's asking you what's your prompt, right? So ChatGPT is all about prompts, right? So I'm going to put, okay, in quotation marks because it's text. What is the total revenue for laptops? Question mark, end quotations, comma, what is my sell range? What am I looking for? Right? So I need it to look for A1 all the way to D101. So A1 starts my data, colon, D101 ends my data. Okay? Close parentheses. Now I did this the other day and all I got was busy, busy, busy. But then I waited a little bit and then it gave me the information. There it is. So then when I click on the cell, so it's kind of giving me the information, but you know, oops, sorry. Oh man, hold on, let me go back. Okay, so on this one here, if I click on the cell and I wrap the text, which is right here, it's just easier to read going down than it is across, but it's giving me my total revenue for laptops. So sometimes it worked and then sometimes I was hoping today that it would work, and it worked, but it was a little weird because at first you get this busy error. And you're like, oh crap, what's it? And then you think, oh, let me start over again. Let me try it again. Let me try it again. When actually what it was doing was it was busy trying to gather all the laptops and add up all the revenue from every time it saw the word laptop going down your spreadsheet, and it was adding it all up. So it just took a little bit of time. So, I mean, I don't know. I have mixed emotions about that. But I'm just super excited. I can't wait for, you know, Copilot to get my hands on Copilot. It's just insane. Okay, link right here will walk you through how to integrate ChatGPT inside of Excel. Now, if you work for a company like CareerSource, you might not be able to do that because Excel has what we call add-ins. And add-ins are kind of like not ready for prime time, some of them, where they're not necessarily Microsoft applications or extensions. So they're not always safe. So right here in this Excel spreadsheet, in the Home tab, you have an add-ins group over here. So when I click on that, it takes me to, yeah, did you know you can create a QR code too? That's an add-in. It's a cool add-in. But anyway, all these add-ins, they're really cool, but they're not necessarily Microsoft products. So you just want to be careful with that. This ChatGPT for Excel is not a Microsoft product. It is a developer that put it out there for free, and I came across it, and I was like, you know, like squirrel, like, ooh, what's this? So these are where your add-ins are. So once you click on this link and you add that ChatGPT, then you have to go to the add-ins and then actually add it to Excel for it to show up here in your Home tab.